Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 29th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I wanted to show that we are definitely still in a wave three. We have the end of a crescent here, and then every single one of these swings is a higher low, so we have no break of trend, meaning that we're definitely still in a wave three. There's really no evidence that the wave three is over. Yes, we are in a very strong move up, but it doesn't mean that this move up is complete. It definitely could keep going if it wants to. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, anything I see to the downside, I would definitely still have to assume is nothing more than a pullback within an uptrend. So I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up, which was the end of a crescent right here, end of a three-way pullback. If we get like another three-way pullback, like this, down to a Fibonacci retracement level, and then another engulfing move to the upside, then I definitely would continue to look for longs at least until the daily or the 4 hour time frame give us some sort of a break to the downside or some sort of a significant lower high. I really do not see any reason to do anything but look for longs at the end of three-way pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.